Hey everyone, welcome to R Programming. This is the second course in the data science specialization, and as the title would suggest, we're going to be focusing on R as a programming language. So in this course, we'll kind of start with the basic building blocks of R, kind of different data types and the very kind of low-level details. Then we'll kind of move on to writing and formulating R programs or R scripts. This involves things like control structures and writing R functions and kind of doing some basic operations on data. And then we'll talk about kind of profiling your code, some of the tools for debugging, and kind of how to work through longer pieces of code. And then so after this course is done, I think you'll have a pretty solid grasp of R as a programming language. We're not going to cover every last feature of the R package, just because in some of the other courses in the specialization, you'll learn more about, for example, how to use the graphic system, how to make plots, how to use some of the packages for things like statistical inference and machine learning. And so that will be covered in other classes. So the purpose of this class is to really kind of get you into R programming, particularly if you're not very familiar with the language, and to make sure you kind of get a sense of the nuts and bolts. So I hope you enjoy it, and I think after this course is done, you'll be ready to move on to to the other courses in the specialization.